I've been work. I, I have been working on this brake lathe, Snap-on FNC type lathe, for the past couple of weeks, and I uploaded a couple of videos. One for the bench where this lathe sits on, and another one for the disassembly of the machine. And the reason I wanted to upload those videos is so it can be used as a reference for somebody that might be taking one of these apart, and they didn't take pictures, and then now they don't know how to put it back together, so they can actually look at the process and see, uh, use it as a reference. Um, Although you can use also the manual for that, but it's nothing like a visual reference for assembling or disassembling the part. Happens to me all the time when I forget to take pictures of whatever I'm doing, especially wiring, and then I had to figure out how to put it back together because I wasn't careful enough to take a picture of the circuit. So yeah, what I'm doing is just rebuilding the lathe and restoring it. And right now, I'm just waiting for some parts, some oil seals, to be able to start putting it back together. I have to be cleaning up the parts that go around the lathe as I go. I got this casing already painted with spray paint, which looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to put some labels or print some labels of the lathe once I get it all done. But what I wanted to talk in this video is that last video that I uploaded was about the complaining that I had about YouTube not showing my videos, and that I never had more than 150 views in each video. And thanks to you, uh, you know, a lot of people subscribe to the channel, and I had like I don't know, 1,300 views total on that last video that I was crying about. And I hope I don't disappoint the people that actually subscribe to it, and might try to keep uploading content that might be interesting. I don't know if those people that subscribe actually would like this kind of content, or just YouTube just put the video out there for bunches of people, and they probably identify with the frustration, or I don't know what happened. But anyway, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, or just to viewing the video a little bit more than the other one. So I got um, you know 1,300 or 1,400 views, something like that, which is pretty awesome for my small channel. And I just wanted to thank you all the ones that subscribe to it. And I hope I don't disappoint you. I had a lot of comments, bunches of comments about the shop, what I should do, some recommendations, and some encouragement, and some criticism also about the shop. And I wanted to address a couple of things on the criticism, and they're right. Everybody that kind of gave me the advice to clean up the shop and make it less messy. Yeah, you're right. I have to do that. It's unsafe to have this machine here, this sandblaster on front of the lathe. But see, why I have so much junk is because I usually buy stuff cheap from the Facebook Marketplace and try to restore it, and put it, kind of flip it, put it back in Marketplace for sale. And I bought a bunch of Shopsmith 10ERs and some Shopsmith machines that I don't know if I'm gonna sell or not, but I want them for experiment and doing some you know, I don't know, trying to make a different machine from those, or use the materials uh, uh, that the machines are made of, like the pipes and stuff like that, the pulleys, stuff like that, right? So I don't know if I'll be able to sell those. I bought a bunch of, a Craftsman 10-inch saws, and rebuild them, make them look pretty, and put them up there on the marketplace. But the problem with those is that there's a bunch of saws that are not rebuilt, but they're cheap, and some of them are don't need to be rebuilt, and they sell pretty cheap on this area. So I don't think I can get the money uh, back for the effort that I put into painting them and rebuilding them. So I must stay away from buying more stuff. So I'm not gonna buy any more equipment. I'm just gonna try to keep rebuilding what I got and completing the incomplete projects. Uh, but this is one that I need to actually finish, because it wasn't cheap to buy it, even though it was kind of very bad shape. So I hope I can get the money back, and some more for the effort, and making it work as it was intended to. But anyway, this is what I'm doing right now. Today is a beautiful day, Saturday, and the weather couldn't be better. We're not gonna have many more of these days pretty soon, because the heat is gonna come. But right now, is is so beautiful. I can be working here all day long. So anyway, that's what I wanted to mention, and thank you very much for watching, and I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye.